In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the chat box in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Teams all the way to sending your first message in the meeting chat. I'll explain what you're seeing on screen and share a few simple tips so you feel confident using chat in your next meeting or class. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the chat or meetings area, depending on how your organization has things set up. You should see an option to join a meeting or call. Look for a button or link that lets you join, often labeled join or similar. Go ahead and click that to get started. Next, you'll usually see a screen with a Meet or Meet Now button. This is where Teams prepares to connect your audio and video. Click on Meet to proceed. Before you actually enter the meeting, Teams may give you a preview window where you can check your camera and microphone. This is a good moment to quickly confirm that your audio and video settings look the way you want. On this preview screen, you'll see a Join button. Click on Join to move one step closer to entering the meeting. If your organization uses a lobby, you might wait a moment until the organizer lets you in. Otherwise, Teams will connect you directly. Once you're ready to go into the meeting, look for the Join Now button. This is the final confirmation. Click Join Now, and Teams will place you inside the live meeting space with other participants. Now that you're in the meeting, let's focus on the chat box. On the meeting toolbar, which is usually located at the top or middle of the screen, you'll see several icons such as camera, microphone, and more. Look for the icon that looks like a speech bubble or message symbol. This is the chat button. Click on the chat icon to open the meeting chat panel. When the chat panel opens, you'll see a text box at the bottom where you can type your message. You can use this area to ask questions, share links, or comment without interrupting the speaker. Press enter to send your message. Everyone in the meeting who has access to the chat will be able to read it. That's all you need to access and use the chat box. Join the meeting, click the chat icon, and start typing.